So I'm Anni Hellman. I'm the Deputy Head of Unit for e-infrastructure in DG Connect. And what I have been seeing yesterday and we are still having today is a big info day for our e-infrastructure work program. The info days are a tradition when we start a new work program in the Commission, and this one is especially interesting and important because now we are starting the Horizon 2020. We have a very good outcome. The house is full, so we have around 250 participants. There's lively discussion, a lot of questions. Yesterday we went through all our topics in the work program, and today we hope that the participants will discuss with each other, find projects, find proposers that can make a consortium and so on. So we are very much hoping to have an interesting outcome out of this info day. As such, our work program is interesting in different ways. One is that more and more we are integrating different areas together. So we want to see data and computing as it is in real life, more combined, more integrated. We are very interested in virtual research environment, which combines all elements of data, computing and connectivity. We have three main focus areas. One is data and computing, then HPC, infrastructures in Europe, and then virtual research environments. Additionally, we have one topic on skills for e-infrastructures, which is very current now. It's a problem of linking the scientists to the computer specialists and to find those talents in between and to recognize them. So we hope to support that in Europe. As regards the area of HPC, we want to be in the forefront and bring Europe more to forefront with our topics, where we have three main pillars. There is the development towards exascale, not part of the infrastructure work program, but part of Horizon 2020. In our work program, we have centers of excellence, which are the centers for different specific coding requirements, also to help coding for the future exascale, and the third pillar is this infrastructure for high-performance computing. So that is supported in the work program. For data and computing, we are looking into the challenges of big data and the infrastructures to support, for example, open access, open data for publications, which is very interesting and very challenging. So all of these areas, with all of them, we hope to kind of bridge the gaps, so the digital gaps in Europe, and to achieve our motto, which is making every researcher digital in Europe. So basically that's what our work program is about, and the work has now started. First call is already in April, and the main bulk of our topics will be in September, and some still are going for next year. Basically, one of the visions we have in the background, of course, is that there is an e-infrastructure which covers all of Europe for researchers, which is also called an e-infrastructure commons. There is still a way to go there, but we are supporting that with having topics which kind of try to federate all different identifications and all different access policies, and in that way to in practice also federate the infrastructures more, and also in everything which we are doing is going towards integration. So the data, the computing, all these infrastructures to be eventually part of one big ecosystem of European e-infrastructure. There's a long way to go there, but that is one of these aims. And this is one of the topics that's, for example, in the EIRG white paper. But that is indeed one of those aims. It's a long-term perspective, but we are doing the building blocks for that at the moment. So that is something quite important for Europe.